Hi guys, just a short video. I've actually built a little greenhouse shelving system and I'd just like to show you how I built it. It's actually made of tanilised timber and it fits the tomato planters and the trays. So anyway, here's the video and I hope you like it. Thank you. Right, I'd just like to show you my little shelf project I've been working on in the greenhouse. So I've got a little shelf there. And I've got two fold away shelves there, and that leaves a bit of room in the greenhouse. And then when I actually want to build the shelves up, I'll show you how that works. So you pull the shelf down like that, and this shelf lifts up. So lift that up like that. Put them little bars up here. I'll show you it all built in a second. Right, that's the shelves in place there now. And the good thing about them is I can fit a standard tomato tray inside them, so I'll show you what it looks like with that one. And there's the tomato trays in place. So I'll be able to get my seeds in. Quite pleased with it as well, quite sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And it's held together with bolts so I can just take it apart. All this is tanilised timber as well, so it should be good for a good few years.